In this video, we will learn more about arithmetic progression, specifically how we can recognize that a given series is an arithmetic progression. Suppose we are given an arithmetic progression like 2, 4, 7, 11, 13, like this. Or suppose we are just given this much, 2, 4, 7, 11 and 13. So how do we say that this is an arithmetic progression? Now, as we know by definition that arithmetic progression, the difference between the consecutive terms is same. So here what we'll do is we'll find the difference between 4 and 2, and the difference is, so what is the difference is 2. Now let us see what is the difference between 4 and 7. The difference between 4 and 7 is 3, and 7 and 11 is 4, and 11 and 13 is 2. So difference is not same. Therefore, it is not a arithmetic function, not an AP. Now we take another example. Say we say 2, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now in this case, what happens? The difference between 2 and 5 is 3. 5 and 7 is 2. 7 and 9 is 2. 9 and 11 is 2. So again it is not a arithmetic progression. So D is not same. So not an AP. Now we take a third example. Suppose we say that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here we see the difference is 2. Here also we see the difference is 2. Here also we see the difference is 2. Here also we see. So then we can say this is an AP. So what we need to do is we need to find the difference between consecutive terms and then check whether it is same or not. Now all these arithmetic progression, all these progressions have 5 terms. So as such they have finite number of terms. Suppose now this is arithmetic progression, and suppose in the question they say find the next 2 terms. Find next 2 terms. So for this it is now quite simple because we have found the difference is 2. So D is 2. And so what we will do is we will start from here 10, and then we say 10 plus 2. So the next term will be 12, and then term thereafter will be 14. So it's a very simple way of finding the next 2 terms or next 3 terms as the case may be. So let me just share with you one more time that if we have to recognize whether a given series of term is an arithmetic progression or not, what we have to do is we will have to find the difference between the consecutive terms and check whether it is same or not. And remember, the difference D can be positive, D can be negative, and D can also be 0. So D can also be 0. It should be same. It could be positive, it could be negative, it could be 0, it could be a fraction. It could be even like under root 2, just a irrational number like under root 2. But the difference should be same. So it is not necessary that it will be only positive and it will be integer. So a arithmetic progression could be 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4 and so on. So here the difference is 1 by 2. From here to here is 1 by 2. From here to here is also 1 by 2. And it can be in the negative direction also. Say for example, it could have been like -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. And then the subsequent term would have been -12 and -14. And it can start from the positive side and go to the negative side. For example, suppose it is arithmetic progression is like starting from 10 and going into minus side. So it is becoming 10, then it is becoming 8, then it is becoming 6, then it is becoming 4, then it is 2, then it is 0, then it is -2, then it is -4 and so on. So in this arithmetic progression, this is also an arithmetic progression, but the D is -2, -2. So D can be +2, -2, +1, -1, and it can also be 0. So it means if I have a arithmetic progression which is I have a progression which says 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 terms as 2, then this is also an arithmetic progression because the difference here is 0. So what we have learned in this video is that how to recognize that a given set of terms or series of terms is an arithmetic progression or not. And for doing that, what we have to do is find the difference between the consecutive terms and check whether it is same or not. If it is same, then it is an arithmetic progression, and if it is not same, then it is not an arithmetic progression. And we have also learned that difference could either be positive or can also be negative, can be 0, can be a fraction, or even irrational number. So it can be any real number. If you recall what you have studied in class 9, what is real number, so the whole set of real number can be difference, including 0. And again, an arithmetic progression could start from the positive side of the number line and move towards the negative side, or it can start from negative side and move towards the positive line. So if you recall the number line, this is 0, so it can either go this way or it can go this way. So both possibilities are valid. So this is number line with 0 in between. So arithmetic progression could be moving in the positive side of the number line, or it could be moving into the negative side of the number line. So that way we can recognize, and there are many questions which may ask you to basically check whether the given set of number is an arithmetic progression or not. And sometimes they may also ask, find the next 2 terms or the next 3 terms, as the case may be. Thank you.